Build mission plans with the powerful Dronelink Mission Planner. Let's explore the main features and show you how to create and edit mission plans in both the mobile app and on a laptop. Let's start with a Waypoints mission to capture video. In the Create menu, select the Waypoints template and place it on the map. Unlock the map pins by clicking the lock. Add or move waypoints to create your flight path. Click a waypoint to edit the altitude, flight speed, and much more. Let's edit the actions at waypoints and along the path. Long press on the map to open the Add menu. Add additional mission components, such as an orbit or map. Or, add additional waypoint elements, such as a point of interest. Adjust where the path action takes place by dragging it. Keep using waypoint actions and path actions to design the shot you want. Path actions can happen anywhere along the flight path. Missions are synchronized across all devices. Let's keep editing the mission on a laptop. From the Add menu, select Pano and place it on the map. Change the altitude or pattern. Open the mission preview to fly it with a virtual drone and visualize the flight. See the drone's field of view as you play the mission. And use the timeline to view details such as flight time, data captured, and more. Let's create a new mapping mission. Select Map from the Create menu, which you can also access by right-clicking the map. Give the mission a name and set up an action on Finish. Drag the boundary points or add new ones to define the mapping area. Open the map settings to set the altitude and adjust the map direction. Open the advanced settings for more options, such as overlaps, speed, pattern, and camera angle. Use the 3D planner to explore the flight path in 3D. You can also build missions with the 3D planner. Select the plus button to add a photo using the virtual drone field of view. You will see a photo added to the list of mission components. From the mobile app, let's make an edit before flying the mission. Select Edit Plan. Open the Add menu, and let's add an orbit. After placing it, let's change automatic capture to interval photos. Select the I button to hide the other mission components for easier editing. Select it again after editing to show the full mission plan. Open the 3D planner to see the flight path in 3D. Open the mission estimate to see image count, flight time, and other useful info. You can also do much more with the Dronelink Mission Planner. Enable Terrain Follow. Copy one of many example mission plans and make it your own. Export missions to Google Earth and fly them in 3D to perfect your shot. Create Facade mission plans for inspections and add no-fly restriction zones around obstacles. Check out the Dronelink Mission Planner and start creating your missions today.